In this video, you'll learn how to create a Kanban board in Notion. By the end of this tutorial, you will have a fully functional Kanban board tailored to your project management needs. First, navigate to the Notion website by entering notion.so in your web browser's address bar. Once the page loads, you will see the Notion homepage showcasing various templates and options to start working. Next, locate the Add a New Page option, which is typically found in the left sidebar. Click on this option and a new blank page will be created. You will notice that a new page template opens up for you to customize. After that, click on the title area at the top of the page that says Untitled. This will allow you to enter a name for your Kanban board. Type in Kanban board and press the Enter key to save your changes. Now click on a blank space within the page. This action ensures that you're ready to add content to your new board. You should see a cursor appear indicating that the page is ready for your input. Type in /board view into the blank space. As you type, a drop-down menu will appear showing various options for content types. This is a key step in creating your Kanban board. Once the drop-down appears, look for and click on the board view option. This selection will convert your current page into a Kanban board layout, allowing you to manage tasks efficiently. Again, click on a blank space on your board to ensure you are in the correct area to add cards. The board view will display empty columns where you can start creating tasks. Next, click on New Page to create your first card on the Kanban board. A new card will appear ready for you to enter details. Type in Card 1 as the title of your first task and press Enter. This will save the title and create a card that you can move across your Kanban board. Click on New Page again to create a second card. This process is identical to the first, allowing you to build your task list quickly. Type in Card 2 for the second task and press Enter to save. You will now see 2 cards displayed on your Kanban board. Continue by clicking New Page once more to add a third card. This repetition allows for seamless task management. Type in Card 3 and press Enter to create the final card. At this point, you will have 3 tasks listed on your Kanban board. Next, look for the option labeled Edit and click on it. This will enable you to modify the properties of your board as necessary. Click on Open Side Peek to reveal additional options for customizing your board. This area provides settings for your Kanban board. Next, locate the 6 dots on the status column and click on them. This action will allow you to modify the status settings for your tasks. Click on Delete Property to remove any unnecessary properties that may clutter your board. This step helps streamline your task management. Confirm the deletion by clicking Delete. This will finalize the removal of the property from your Kanban board. Next, find the 6 dots on the Assign column and click on them. This will allow you to adjust the assignment settings for your tasks. Again, click on Delete Property to clean up your board further. Removing unneeded properties enhances clarity in your Kanban setup. Confirm the deletion once more by clicking Delete. This will help maintain a focused workspace. Now click on Add a Property to introduce a new task property. This will allow you to customize your board further. Select the option labeled Select from the drop-down menu. This will allow you to define specific categories for your tasks. Type in Kanban Status as the name for this new property. This will help you track the status of each task effectively. Click on a blank space on your board to exit the property editing mode. This will ensure you're ready to continue working. Next, click on Empty to create a new status option. This allows you to set a default for your Kanban tasks. Type in Testing as a new status option and press Enter. This status will help you categorize tasks effectively. Now click on the testing card you just created. This will allow you to further edit or move this card as needed. Type in Progress to update the status of this task. Press Enter to save your changes. Click on the Progress card to select it for further actions, such as moving or editing the task. Type in Done to create the final status for your Kanban tasks. This will allow you to track completed tasks easily. Click on a blank space again to ensure you are out of editing mode. This will help keep your workspace organized. Finally, click on Card 2 to manage that specific task further. You can move it to different statuses or edit its details as needed. Click on Empty to designate this card's status appropriately. This will help maintain clarity in your task progress. Click on Progress to assign this status to the card. This action helps in visually tracking your tasks. Click on Progress once more to ensure this task is properly categorized. This will enhance the functionality of your Kanban board. Click on a blank space to exit any editing mode. This will help you view your complete Kanban board. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.